Meaning of insomniac.
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 Insomniac. Insomniac is a noun that refers to a person who has difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep, often resulting in daytime fatigue, irritability, and poor concentration. Insomniacs may experience occasional sleeplessness or chronic insomnia, which can have negative impacts on their physical and mental health, social lives, and overall well-being. Some common causes of insomnia include stress, anxiety, depression, certain medications, caffeine, alcohol, physical discomfort, and disruptive environments. Treatment options for insomnia may include lifestyle changes, therapy, medication, or a combination of these approaches, depending on the underlying causes and severity of symptoms.